I need a cart. I'll take one when I get a little closer. I'll take this one here. Quiet one. $2. I need 6. I'm good. Also got some potting mix. I need 2x4x8s. Well, 2x4x10 will do. That means I could get 2 pieces out of it. And I need to get, I think, 4 parts. I'm done. The center brace probably going to go here and here, even it up to 2 more and take the center out. All I got to do is put the plastic covering on. There you go. Put the warning on and I'm done. I hope this video was helpful. Sometimes how-tos are very simple to do without explanation. And for me, it only took about a couple hours to do. Have a great day, everybody. I'll keep you updated when I get the electronic covering.